Hello guys, it's a beautiful Monday today, the 14th of November. We are going to kickstart our analysis looking at EURUSD. This was the trade that I gave you guys last week, right? We were anticipating that market would open, trade a little bit over this old swing high, and then from there retrace and go close with a little bit of fair value get that we had in here, right? And also below here trading into this bullish order block, but we didn't get to see that. We saw prices open, trade high, come back down. They managed to only take a bit of liquidity that is below these lows right there, like that, before reversing and continuing with the trend. So all in all, I would say we were not activated for this trade. So a quick look at what we have this week. If we take a look on the daily chart itself, right, we can see how we have fair value get in here, right? And also, if you follow my arrow right there, you can see we have an order high, which we have traded above. We had a little bit of a wick in there, and then ultimately we broke above them. So with where price is at today, we've opened and we haven't done much. We are still anticipating that if we go to the H4 time frame like that, and we zoom out one more time. Okay, right. So this is the fair value get that we see on the higher time frame. It's quite significant. So I believe, right, that price would want to trade down, right? So initially I had marked this level right there, but I have reason to believe that it might not hold, right? This order block in here might not hold, right? Because of what I've mentioned before, that old high, swing high, and then also the higher time frame fair value get. So I would anticipate a bit of a move down to right anywhere in this zone, because now we have two confluences at one, and slightly below that we can then add this H4 fair value get, right? That I would love to see price trade and close. Right, so with that said, I am going to wait and see how price does behave when they get into anywhere above this order high, well, below, anywhere below this order high, trading higher time frame fair value get, right? Preferably, I would have wanted to see them trade all the way down into this last huge down close candle, but anywhere in this zone, right, including this order high here, right? And if I get a market structure break in a sense like that, right, I can then activate my buys. My targets are going to be any short-term highs created, right, or market structures created as we trade higher, would be areas where I look to take profit from, and ultimately I will be targeting the 1.03 mid-figure level. Right, so this is what I have got for you guys on EURUSD.